Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this particular video, we are going to look at how to use MT5 multi-terminal. All right. If you have ever had to manage multiple accounts at the same time, you know how time consuming it can be, to log in and out or switch between platforms, right? So MT5 multi-terminal was created to solve that exact problem, okay? So now we're just going to search for MT5 multi-terminal. All right? So we need to understand what MT5 multi-terminal is, okay? It gives you one place to control everything. It's a specialized platform from MetaTrader, designed for traders and account managers. All right? Those who handle more than one account. So instead of running several MT5 terminals on your computer, you can log into multiple accounts. Log into multiple accounts and trade through a single interface. So this makes monitoring, placing trades, and managing accounts much more efficient. So the first step of using the multi-terminal obviously is installation and login, right? So once you have downloaded the multi-terminal, you'll need to log into each account that you want to manage, right? You simply go to the accounts tab, enter the account number, password, and server, then repeat the process for each additional account, right? So once logged in, you'll see your accounts displayed, right, on the screen, along with balances and equity. Now, I was actually about to download multi-terminal, but I actually saw a message talking about MetaTrader 4 accounts being the ones supported by multi-terminal. So just in case if you have tried searching for MT5 multi-terminal and you don't find it, it seems like the MT4 multi-terminal is the one currently available based on this information that I can see here. All right. So I came to search again, and as you can see, MetaTrader 4 multi-terminal, you can see it's available on the MQL5. Right, the MetaTrader site, rather. It's available in the MetaTrader site, I mean. Right, so you can see. So, but that's in case if you are interested in using the MT4 multi-terminal. But generally, let's just discuss multi-terminal, right? And the features. Okay, let's just generally discuss the features of the multi-terminal, right? So basically, you have to install it first, log in and all of that, and then you see your accounts displayed after you've of course logged into the accounts. Okay, then placing trades is quite straightforward. You can select one account or multiple accounts, then choose your instrument, lot size and order type. With one click, the trade should be executed across the accounts that you have selected, right? With one click. So this is especially helpful if you need to apply the same strategy across multiple accounts without repeating the process manually. All right. So, you can also enjoy real-time monitoring, track account balances, equity, margin, and open trades in one place. Imagine being able to track all these, for different accounts in one place. So this helps you stay organized and ensures that you always have a clear view of what is happening in each account. It's also worth noting that the multi-terminal keeps the trading environment simple and efficient. You don't get all the charting, and analysis tools that you normally see in the standard platform. All right. Because this tool is focused purely on account management. It's focused on account management. So for those who are account managers, they're going to find this tool quite, interesting and valuable. Okay. Account management and trade execution is the focus of this tool, right? So that makes it lightweight and easy to use. So by learning how to use the multi-terminal, you'll save time, avoid mistakes that come from switching, between different logins, and gain better control over multiple accounts. Whether you are managing personal accounts or handling accounts for clients, this tool makes the entire process smoother. So if you found this tutorial helpful in any way, and you are interested in getting the multi-terminal for MT4, well, you can just go ahead to the MetaTrader's website and download the MT4 multi-terminal. And then in case if MT5 multi-terminal becomes available, then you can also go with that for the MT5. But for now, you can just use the MT4 multi-terminal for managing MT4 accounts. Okay. Share this video with other traders or account managers who need to make their workflow easier with multi-terminal. All right. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.